Hello, my name's Joe and I'm going to show you how to adjust the texture tiling inside of Unreal. If you find this video helpful at all, please like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to check out my website 3dassetlibrary.com for Unreal and Unity Engine assets. So here we go. What I've got here is a simple sandstone material that I've set up, and what we're going to do is make this either more aggressive, you'll see we'll stretch the texture bigger, or we'll make it even smaller. So what we'll do is we'll go to my material that's for this, and we will right click and type in coordinate, and you'll get texture coordinate. Now what we want to do is we want to make sure these are plugged into all of the maps, like your base map, normal map, and then your mask maps. So that goes, drag the pin into UVs, UVs, UVs. Now what we've got when we click on our texture coordinate here, we've got our tiling amount. So what we'll do is we'll say go to 4, 4. Now always remember to save, otherwise it won't work. So just wait for that. As you can see here, it's made it a lot more smaller. So what we'll do is we'll go the other way and go, say, 0.5, 0.5. And there we go, it's made it more aggressive. Now obviously this is only really useful if you've got tiling materials. If you haven't got tiling materials, what will happen is you'll get havoc, because a lot of materials are set via their UV maps and that, so you might get a piece of a brick here, and then over here a bit of wood, etc. So yeah, if you found that helpful, please do like and subscribe. Cheers.